Right guys, okay, it's the shed, and I am obviously struggling with this. I'm not struggling with this, so it's actually funny. It's been coated in some sort of my favourite, so I bought, no it's not favourite. But, I'm going to show you something, and obviously this is for the owner of the car. I've been out here since about 9 o'clock, and it's now, I'll check my phone, see how many hours I've actually been struggling on this. It is now 6:32 and I've got him at gunpoint. So that's about, I don't know, 8-9 hours? 9 hours, right, anyway, so 9 hours of the hand whispers. Okay, so we're gonna see what we've achieved. Now, I'll let you a little secret. It was locked up solid. And after great amounts of struggling and persuasion, possibly you need to see the results by this. Ready? Now, I've actually done sort of like something I've never done. I put transmission fluid down it. Something I've never done before. So I left transmission fluid. It wouldn't go over on the starter. The water pump is solid, so that's the other thing that's nightmare. But it wouldn't go over on the starter. So I got a pry bar into the flywheel at the back and gently rocked it backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards, quarter inch at a time. And yeah, after a sort of a good old rockabilly rabble, she actually tipped over and she turned over. So I think that the old transmission fluid did work. Obviously it's full of transmission fluid, the engine at the moment, so I'm glad, because obviously I didn't think it was seized up. He didn't think it was seized up. I'm actually surprised it was seized up. But anyway, it's freed now. So the next thing is to keep freeing. Get a spark on the old pointerators. They are actually sparking if you are, but they're not sparking. And this must have been done by a mechanic years ago. Look, see that? Can you see that? Look, somebody scratched the hell out of the rotor. Good old Lucas. That's probably a genuine Lucas one. Considering it's only done 21,000 miles, I mean that is probably quite amazing. That is you know, it could be well be the original. Certainly the cap looks original because it's got the original under seal sprayed over it. So I'm just going to keep at it. For the minute, I'm just going to keep at it, and get it so that I can get a spark and she's free. Now, it's actually still positive earth, so I'm going to stay with positive earth for the minute. I want to try and fire it. So I've been doing a bit of carb cleaning, and the carbs are just full of crap. They're just full of crap with soot, so that's not to be a big issue. So yeah, so that's what's it, about 3.5 hours last night, and a good bloody 8 hours, 9 hours today. Yeah, what a job. Anyway, so it's coming on, and possibly we'll go for the old, what do they say? For a start video. Yeah, that could be fun.